So,
Oh, no worries. At least you are trying. That's more than enough.
yeah, thank you. Yeah.
I mean, I can't do that. Somehow I just can't memorize. I don't have this good hold on languages.
Yes. I think remembering that in English is a better option. Like, I mean, few of the verses that I like is in the center, if you put the Manjusa in the already constructed home, then
Mm-hmm.
the Vastu is done. So that is one good advice in Vishwakarma Prakash.
That's the only thing. I realize actually, I had initially when I started with my practice, even
Uh-huh.
I had these questions. I'm like Southwest में पानी हो तो दोष है, and I would go so tensed. So Shiv sir would be like, it's okay. ये कर लो वो कर लो, and once he also told me कि हाथ धो लो, हैंड वॉश कर लो. I was like, what is he trying to say? ये हैंड वॉश करने से कौन सा वास्तु हो जाता है? And then he asked me to read. There's one scripture that it was too tough, but I did read
Mhm.
it, but nothing changed for me. Then after reading the Bhagavad Gita for say about
Uh,
9, 10 times, that is when things started falling in place. Then today, again, I could recollect from Swamiji's discourse that chapter 6, where Bhagwan says that, what is, you know, uh, what is it that, people are worried for? And he
mhm.
clearly mentions that you just do the sadhana, I will take care of everything else. And
Right.
still we are so worried for everything, like ye
Yes.
nahi ho raha, wo nahi
Yes,
ho.
yes.
And then that is when it clicked me that just doing the vast wherever you are
Mm.
sitting for your sadhana, for your puja, or any work for that matter, just that
Right.
place, if you ensure that it is safe and secure,
Right.
vastu is done.
Yes.
And
Very
this
interesting.
this realization took me 15 years of reading and reading and reading, because I really wanted to understand कि वास्तु है क्या.
Ah.
And now, and Swamiji kept telling me वास्तु इतना नहीं होता, you just focus on your sadhana. मैं like नहीं, वास्तु ये नहीं है,
Mm.
वास्तु ठीक नहीं है. मेरे my brother-in-law बड़े
Mm.
वाले, उनको पैरालिसिस है.
Mhm.
देखो उनको
Mhm.
पैरालिसिस हो गया बिकॉज उस घर का दोष था. एंड आई वुड जस्ट कनेक्ट थिंग्स. एंड दैट
Right.
व्हेन स्वामी जी सेड कि वास्तु देवता को पूजा करते हैं हवन में, दैट्स मोर देन इनफ.
Mm.
Now it's so clear when I do these havans at sites that actually it's just the Vastu Shanti Havan, which is more than enough.
Mm.
And of course, 9 Manjushas in the center. You're
9 months.
sorted.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, to reach this journey and this realization, I think we have to go through all that churning. Manthan hona zaruri hai. Otherwise, you
Mm.
don't discover your own truth. So, this is
Very
my
true.
truth of Vastu that, finally I realized that it is more to do with, um, value tagging and hedonic adaptations and the mental thing, which clearly is mentioned
Yes.
in the Bhagavad Gita. So I think Bhagavad Gita has the key to a lot of our problems or our thought process or, whatever stress we take. So,
Yes. 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 I think in your book you have mentioned a remedy for a mother that his
yeah,
son was
that
his
is,
son was worried
who's the
about.
mother? It's me.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
was because obviously son was he wanted to score good, and I was like
Yes. Yes.
क्या करूं. Then I said
Uh,
okay, मैं संकल्प लेती हूँ. And
right.
he scored
Okay.
100 out of 100 in maths, and it's because of his
Amazing. Yeah.
mathematics that he got into this top university.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Great. Great.
yeah, and it was COVID time, so I did not miss a day.
Mm-hmm.
So I these Puran. I'm reading Markandeya Puran. Everything
Okay.
is like crystal clear. That what Vastu
Right.
is. I mean, right from making the Havan Kund to your asan to your bed, everything is actually, given. But
Mm.
go into extension and facade and yeah, this.
Yes.
Mm.
And besides one thing that I understand that it is because of your sadhana, because you are carrying that sort of vibration within you, so that
Mm.
whenever you go around, then you carry that vibration of peace and harmony to the environment, and then environment automatically gets cleared of any kind of vastu dosha. Although you will give some remedies, but I believe that the energy that you carry also plays a significant role in that.
Yeah, that it does, no doubt about it. But with sadhana
Mm.
also, no, there's one
Mhm.
more thing I realized that when we do sadhana, our mind kind of calms down, a lot
Yes.
of anxiety, everything just comes down. And how your mind is,
Mm.
that's how your life is.
True.
Like,
Yeah.
if I say 15 years back, I was I was a person who was full of anxiety because
Mm.
I always had these questions, ये क्यों, ये ऐसा क्यों, ये वैसा क्यों, MBA student and logics everywhere.
Yes.
And life was tough. But now life, touch wood, I just don't have to do anything. Everything just comes. And
Mm.
then today, this Bhagavad Gita's thing, the verse, it just, I could relate to it that yes, I mean, literally, we just have to do sadhana, rest Bhagwan takes care.
Yes. Yes.
Nature,
Very
of
true.
course, Mother Nature.
Mm.
So I
Mm.
just finished with an author one book on Mother Divine.
Mm.
So that book just finished, and we're going to launch it soon. Mother Divine पे है. And
Okay.
you won't believe, जैसे वो बुक कल खत्म हुई, मैंने प्रिंटिंग में दी, आज
Mm.
आई वाज मार्कंडेय पुराण में देवता वाली बुक लिख रही हूँ ना, सो आई वांटेड द ओपनिंग वर्स फॉर द देवता वाली बुक. एंड
Okay.
इट वाज देयर, माँ का जो मार्कंडेय पुराण में है ना, पूरा माँ का वर्णन है कि हु शी इज. So I'm
Mm.
doing that now. So
Great.
it just comes that मुझे मुझे
Yes.
starting चाहिए मेरे देवता बुक का. So आज
Mm-hmm.
आज मिल गया. So that's what sadhana does. We don't have to do anything actually. We just have to do sadhana. और वो साधना के
Yes.
लिए अपने को घर कैसे बनाना है, that is what we
Ah.
have to put our mind into. कि एक ऐसा रूम हो जहाँ हम बैठ के साधना
Mm.
कर सकें, ऐसा
Right.
आसन हो, ऐसा मंदिर हो. I
Mm-hmm.
think that's where the Vastu get
Yes.
more precise. So yeah, that's been my journey. I mean, any doubts that you want me to take? I think I'll take all the doubts later. Once
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
let
Sure.
us just
I think
finish
I,
astrology.
I've shared you one PDF, and I just wanted to get some clarity on that.
Hmm. Once the homeworks are done, then we'll just sit through, because I think only you have done the homework. So the doubt
Uh,
clearing session will only be with you, nobody else. That
okay.
I'm very clear. Yes, yes, all of you can laugh. But I'm very clear on that. तो ये है, and so astrology वाला भी ना part will help us understand our old patterns, what patterns we've brought into this life. And see, there are three types of karmas, as we know, na? Prarabdha, and Agami is the future, and the present wala hai Sanchita karma. So Sanchita karma is also based on whatever actions we do in our this current life. I mean, whatever, in our childhood or whatever. So now, whatever actions we are doing, there's always a pattern building. And even in psychology, they say that whenever we are whatever level of emotions we are at, we find those kind of partners or friends or business associates. So जो अपना माइंड का स्टेटस रहता है ना, इमोशंस का, वैसे ही लोग मिलते हैं. So if we see our astrology pattern of our last birth, so the most important planets that we have to see from our last birth are sun and moon. So अब उस पे थोड़ा सा आगे चलते हैं कि sun, moon, and even in Vastu, Vishwakarma Prakash में it is clearly mentioned that sun and moon is what we are the most important planet when we see any these Muhurat or Bhumi Pujan ka, and even for that matter, if we have to assign rooms, we have to see that also. So now in this class, the whole idea is to understand the astrology pattern so that at least you can help yourself first. And then once you are thorough with the practice, maybe you can, obviously apply in other people's lives. So going forward, so yeah, astrology plus Vastu is equal to life pattern. So now, so here is equal to. Equal to means अगर यहाँ 2 है तो वो भी 2, इस तरफ भी 2 है. Left is 2 तो right is 2. Right is 2 तो left is 2. Exactly वैसे ही वास्तु plus astrology अपने अगर साथ में चलाते हैं, then we get a life pattern. There is a pattern that builds. So if we have to change our Vastu or if we have to change our astrology का जो old pattern है that we are carrying from our last birth, if we change our life pattern, these also change. Is this clear? थोड़ा समझ में आया? Like, lot of people are staying in Vidisha plots, but they take Sankalp and they say that nahi, Vidisha plot obviously इसलिए आता है because of our last past karmas, and Vidisha plot में अपनी spiritual growth slow हो जाती है, correct? So if we have to change our spiritual path and if we want things to fall in place and not have too much anxiety and we want to be at peace, that is when if we change our life pattern, our astrology and Vastu also changes. So a lot of cases we see that, they don't have to see Vastu at all because all जो भी aligned homes hai, they get those automatically because, that's what is destiny. So here, if we want to change our life pattern, we can change our Vastu and astrology. And vice versa. So this is what is the whole idea of this class, that we try to understand how we change the pattern. In my Vastu Remedies book, I have mentioned in a lot of places that, you can change life pattern. So why do we have to change life pattern? To get out of the current situation. So if we are in some current problem, if we change the brain the neurological setting, the life pattern itself changes. That is why, Swamiji says sadhana se sab sambhav hai. Because with sadhana, we can control the planets. With omens, we can know that, okay, I'm facing a problem of Shani, or I am going to face problem of Shani. So let me rectify this. For example, I am seeing crows of late. I am also, by mistake, this lohe ki tawa, a heavy pan, I just kind of broke it and it was almost about to fall on my feet. So loha, crows, and uh, you know too much hassle with the helpers. So we know that, okay, Shani, so कुछ बड़ा होने से पहले we catch hold of these omens and we work towards rectifying the Shani before itself. Just there is a verse, no, Heyam Dukham Anagatam. So you have to be very mindful and catch these omens. If you're mindful, then we are able to understand that, okay, ये pattern चल रहा है, we have to break this. So suppose कौवे दिख रहे हैं, wherever I go walking, I am seeing crows. So okay. So now I know मुझे शनि ठीक करना है. So what I did today, जितने भी घर में ओल्ड स्लीपर्स थी सब दान दे दी. मम्मी के घर में जाके सब दान दे दिए. लोहे का तवा दान दे दिया. So this is how you have to, catch the omens from the astrology. And now vastu में मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? So I asked one of my clients to plant coconut trees in the west direction. तो वो उपाय मेरे लिए भी हो गया और उनके लिए भी हो गया. So next what I plan to do this Saturday, I plan to make some मतलब we call it pakoras, meetha pakoda out of wheat. I will go towards the west direction, and there is a tree which is full of crows. I will go and put it there. So that's also one remedy. And Saturday I will go to a Shani temple. So जो दुख कुछ आने वाला है तो उसको अपने avoid कर सकते हैं. So that is that. How do we know that? Through astrology, it becomes very easy to understand these patterns. And that pattern can be then applied as per the Vastu directions also. So is it clear till here? I know thoda sa, there's a break in between the classes. So एक हफ्ते का break हो गया ना almost. Yeah, any doubts on this topic, anyone?
It's clear.
So yeah, now astrology में we have to understand a couple of things. We have to इसमें नक्षत्र तक नहीं जाते हैं. We don't cover too much of nakshatras in Vastu. I mean till Jaya, maybe in Purna I might take. So here what happens is we have to understand the zodiac signs. Now zodiac signs भी दो तरह से होते हैं. एक तो सन का जोडियाक होता है और एक मून का जोडियाक होता है. बोथ वी शुड नो कि हमारा जोडियाक कौन सा है. सन के हिसाब से, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम बोर्न इन जनवरी, तो सन के हिसाब से मेरा जोडियाक है कैप्रिकॉन. बट मेरा जो मून है दैट इज विथ जेमिनाई. तो मेरा मून जो राशि है, चंद्र राशि, दैट इज जेमिनाई. और इनके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स अगर अपने समझें, then it becomes easy for, like, how I use these rashis is for my sadhana. So any important sadhana if I have to take up, so I do it as per my rashis. So I mean, how we have to use these rashis is again, thoda tricky. So let's first we'll go with with understanding the zodiac. So first we have to understand that there are two sets of zodiac signs. One is moon and one is the sun. Now sun is much more popular in the Western astrology, and in our Indian astrology, we give more importance to the Chandra Rashi. But both are equally important. Now going forward, so yeah, yes, and in the sky, if you see, this is how these are placed, and everything moves. The best part about the whole nature is that everything is moving. Even the sun in its own place is moving. So like the other day, Hardi ji's husband, I think he just said that, how do we assign the directions if everything is moving? So there is a term called as, I think, gigantic north, if I'm not wrong, gigantic or gigantic, I don't know how to spell it, but yeah, so this is a term wherein we see the Milky Way from top view, or the galaxy from the top view, and we assign the north direction. That is for our understanding. Definitely, nature does not need any of this understanding, and not everything is moving in a clockwise direction in nature. there are few things, and again, it's a perspective. If you see from top view, it's clockwise. If you see from the other perspective, other point of view, again, it is clockwise and anti-clockwise. So same way, uh, we are trying to understand our life pattern or our subjects, a life pattern, so that we can give them a remedy or a solution to their problems. Now, if we have to understand the usage of the zodiac, we'll have to again see how we uh, first understand the correlation between the astrology chart and the Vastu Ghar Ka chart. So Ghar Ka chart, if we use the Pitham, it is much more easier. ये chart या pattern इकाशती से नहीं बन सकता. This is done with the help of astrology chart and the Pitham. So Pitham, we'll call it as a chart. Pitham is, if you see the manjushas that are placed in the Brahmastan also, that is also in Pitham style. So sari puja auspicious काम के लिए we use Pitham. So इसीलिए अपनी भी life, we are no less than anything auspicious. We are also very auspicious beings. So अपनी life pattern समझने के लिए भी अपने Pitham ही use करेंगे. So let's go forward. Now, if we see the astrology chart, a lot of you already know how to read the chart. This is for the newbies. So, जो top में अपने बनाते हैं, we have to first make a square or a rectangle and then the diagonal lines. And then we take from the center on top and we may make a square, मतलब थोड़ा टेढ़ा वाला, so that we get these central houses. So now we have 12 houses. Now why 12 houses? Because obviously sun के R पे based है, that there are 12 घर हैं and 12 sun का जैसे 12 12 24, so 12 we take day and 12 night ऐसा करके. So that's why it has 12 houses. Now each house is assigned to now these are houses. We can call it as ghar or bhav. In Hindi we say it as bhav, and these actually assign a role in our life. Now again, coming back to the pattern thing, this is one way of reading the whole Vastu or astrology or pattern. There could be multiple other ways. That is why in every scripture, you will find different stories of the same subject, because the seers see their truth in their own way. So that is what is my understanding of the pattern building. And maybe I could be wrong here, and you can have your own pattern building, own way of understanding, but this is coming from experience of 15 years, that understanding pattern through these planets. So now if we coming back to this, so when the east is where the sun rises, so सबसे पहला भाव अपने पहले घर को कहेंगे, and then the sun moves clockwise. So इसमें it's just the sun movement that we understand, because we have to again match it with the astrology. So east and then south and then west and north. But in astrology, the numbers are different. Numbers go from east, then northeast, then north, like that. So the numbering is anti-clockwise in astrology. So this is something that you will have to just have it in your mind. The pattern is, this is the pattern that we use for Vastu pattern building, to understand how we can use Vastu through the astrology. So now east, we know that this is east direction. So east direction, if we see any fault in so now this is the first house. So first house, if we see any sorry for the whistle, any say about dosha as in, you know, there is a negative planet, or there is a Saturn, or there is any pattern for that matter, any negative pattern, then we have to energize that direction of our house. So suppose if the first house is pehla ghar, now pehla ghar ke bhi diya hai ki bhai first house is your personality, and then suppose personality, if we see some negative habit in us, or if there is a personality defect in someone, so the moment we see that, we will have to also vastu wise, we will have to think from the east perspective, east direction ka perspective, that it is better to energize the east direction of that person. That is, say about, say suppose there is a sun in the first house, so and that first sun has a drishti of Shani, so we will definitely, you know, energize their east direction. Now, what do you mean? What do we mean by energizing the east direction? So again, Vastu talks more about energy. Now, that energy is all coming from the Brahmastan. The Brahmastan is Lord Brahma is the creator. But who is the creator of Lord Brahma? The scripture said that Adi Shakti is the so anything, if we have to see, the Brahmastan is something that we will have to energize in every house, maybe through Manjusha or any lotus or any picture or any, swastik, gold swastik, anything. So if that is done, then all the directions are also kind of taken care of. So now suppose if the east direction, we are saying that we need to energize the east direction. So energizing is done in two ways. One is mental and the other one is physical. So we say that, okay, physical is that we place a ruby in the east direction. And mental, how does it work? That it is through faith. Through faith, faith in the subject, faith in the guru, faith in your own destiny. If we have the faith, then the east direction, which is energized, will directly impact the planet which is sitting negatively in the first house. Is this clear? Yes, just up thumbs up dikha do, I'll know.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Yes. Great, great. लगता है जया के बाद सबकी दिमाग की बत्ती खुल गई है, no doubt sir. So yeah, so this becomes very easy कि भाई हमें रेमेडी कैसे देनी है. तो एस्ट्रोलॉजी चार्ट देखा और रेमेडी उसी तरह से तुरंत तैयार हो जाती है. सो अब सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, व्हाट इज इट? जस्ट अ सेकंड. Now, if we have to suppose, yeah, so I don't know how to make you understand this in a deeper way. हाँ, तो कौन से planet करने हैं, कौन सा घर करना है, क्या करना है, that is where the confusion lies. So do not give multiple remedies at a time. So सबसे पहले किसकी remedy देनी होती है हम लोगों को? That is where, these planets actually help us. So अब ये जैसे भाव हैं, like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they go clockwise. And the sun rises, the sun goes clockwise, but the astrology thing goes anti-clockwise. Now, anti-clockwise जब ये जा रहा है, so that means the sun is not going anti-clockwise. We are understanding the planets in the anti-clockwise way, just for our understanding. Now, पहला भाव इसमें आई थिंक आई हैव, हाँ, तो पहला भाव इज सेल्फ। तो सेल्फ, लाइक इफ यू वांट टू हेल्प आवरसेल्व्स, हमें क्या करना है? तो इसमें जो प्लैनेट ऊपर बैठे हैं, देर आर प्लैनेट्स विच आर सिटिंग इन द हाउस, वी डू नॉट सी दोज प्लैनेट्स। रूल नंबर 1 इज टू सी द हाउस। हमें भाव देखना है, बिकॉज घर है ना, दीज आर कॉल्ड भाव, हाउसेस। तो हमें, वी हैव टू स्ट्रेंथन दैट हाउस फर्स्ट। सो सपोज अपने देखते हैं कि जो लग्न है, लग्न के स्वामी इज वट एवर नंबर इट इज, वी सी दैट द लग्न स्वामी इज सिटिंग इन द 8th हाउस। So what we have to do, we have to, because 8th house is a negative house, so we have to strengthen the lord of that house. So suppose if the number is 8 of the first house, so 8 hai, and 8 is sitting in the 8th house. So what we do, we have to rectify the mangal in their planet. Now again, मंगल पहले रेक्टिफाई करना है, द प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो रेक्टिफाई करना है, या पास्ट लाइफ से वो जो लेके कार्मिक डेट्स आए हैं एंड किनके साथ कार्मिक डेट है उन्हें रेक्टिफाई करना है। व्हाट डू यू थिंक, पहले किसे रेक्टिफाई करना चाहिए?
मैम पास्ट कनेक्शन को।
यस, वेरी ट्रू। तो पास्ट जो कनेक्शंस है ना, वी हैव कम हियर अगेन टू फुलफिल आवर डिजायर्स। जो डिजायर थी उसे फुलफिल करने, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर इन दिस चक्रव्यूह। तो अब उस चक्रव्यूह में ऐसा होता है, वी हैव हर्ट पीपल। तो उन पीपल को जिनको हर्ट किया है, उनके साथ कार्मिक बॉन्ड है। जब तक वो कार्मिक बॉन्ड खत्म नहीं होगा, वो साइकिल उन्हीं के साथ चलती रहेगी। और स्पेशली हस्बैंड वाइफ एंड पेरेंट्स का बहुत बड़ा कार्मिक कनेक्शन होता है। तो इसीलिए सबसे पहले इम्पोर्टेंट है कि अपने कार्मिक डेट को क्लियर करने के लिए वी सी राहु, केतु एंड शनि। तो इन 3 प्लैनेट्स को अपने बहुत अच्छे से समझेंगे, देखेंगे कि ये किनके साथ बैठे हुए हैं, तो किनके साथ अपना कार्मिक डेट है। सो द मोमेंट वी नो दैट ओके, कार्मिक डेट इनके साथ है, सो वी स्टार्ट रेक्टिफाइंग दोस कार्मिक डेट विद दैट पर्सन। सो कैसे रेक्टिफाई करना है? वेरी सिंपल, 3 ways। बिकॉज कार्मिक डेट क्या है? एनीवन, क्या है कार्मिक डेट? हाउ डू वी डिफाइन कार्मिक डेट? एनीवन? तो कार्मिक डेट को डिफाइन करने के लिए एक ग्रंथ में बहुत इजी शब्द दिया है, ग्रंथि, यानी कि नॉट्स। इन नॉट्स को जितना खोलते जाएंगे ना, उतना उन उन लोगों के साथ अपना कार्मिक डेट क्लियर होता जाएगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, 3 ग्रंथि है, देयर इज ब्रह्मा ग्रंथि, विष्णु ग्रंथि एंड रुद्र ग्रंथि, करेक्ट? तो एक ग्रंथि खोली, एक नॉट खोली, वो जो रोप है और सीधी हुई। दूसरी ग्रंथि इमोशंस की खोली और लंबी हुई, और रुद्र की खोली। अब इन तीनों को अपने को एक मान के चलना है, वन एंटिटी। सो सपोज आई हैव अ कार्मिक डेट विथ माय फादर, ठीक है? तो अब मैं, मेरे फादर के साथ कार्मिक डेट है, तो मैं क्या करूंगी? मैं अगेन ग्रंथि को एक एंटिटी के जैसे देखना है कि भाई सबसे पहले ब्रह्मा ग्रंथि, तो मैं उनके साथ में अ, ऐसा कोई क्रिएटिव काम करूं या कोई, बिकॉज ब्रह्मा ग्रंथि इज क्रिएशन, ब्रह्मा ग्रंथि इज ऑल्सो फिजिकल, कि भाई मैं उनके, आई आई कैन हेल्प देम विद फिजिकल लेबर या एनीथिंग दैट, उनको एक्सरसाइज करा दिया, उनको डॉक्टर के पास ले गए। सो दैट इज ब्रह्मा ग्रंथि। तो द मोर आई डू विद दैट, मेरी ग्रंथि खुलती रहेगी। तो चलो मेरी धीरे धीरे ब्रह्म, अब सिर्फ ब्रह्मा ग्रंथि खोलने से नहीं होगा, इमोशनल विष्णु ग्रंथि खोलना है। तो आई हैव टू कम इन टर्म्स विथ माय फादर कि भाई मैं अपनी इमोशंस, suppose there are a lot of people who cannot share the emotions with their parents, especially थोड़े एज के बाद में। सो अब जरूरी नहीं है इमोशंस फादर के साथ है तो फादर के साथ ही इमोशंस क्लियर करने होते हैं। सो फादर से रिलेटेड कोई भी अपने इशू है या पुराने अपने कुछ जो अपने को याद हैं, वो इमोशनल इश्यूज हैं। इफ वी राइट डाउन, जर्नलिंग करें, इफ वी talk to a therapist, or if we go to the church, confess with the father, to an unknown person, not with the mother or uh, क्योंकि there is a sense of judgment, and when that is there, then the emotional granthi इतनी अच्छे से खुलती नहीं। So either you write down and burn it, write down and burn it, but it's a very long process. Burning takes a lot of time. सबसे easy है, you hire a therapist, talk to the therapist, and emotional granthi खुल गई। वो थी ना मूवी डियर जिंदगी, आलिया भट्ट एंड शाहरुख खान की, one of the best examples of Alia Bhatt, how she opens up and then she finds her own path. So that is Vishnu Granthi. So अब मैं मेरे पिताजी के साथ मैंने ब्रह्मा ग्रंथि खोल ली, विष्णु ग्रंथि खोली, अब रुद्र ग्रंथि कैसे खोलूं? So mental, there are emotional afflictions, then there are mental afflictions. So mental afflictions के लिए भी we need to work कि भाई mostly it's related with money or something. So just acceptance, and then we need to figure out ways how we can remove the mental afflictions. So the moment we are very, very comfortable with that person, so whenever you see that person, you will not have any you're so neutral with that person. So that is when you know that मेरी इनके साथ में सब ग्रंथियां खुल गई है। But it's a continuous process, and बात में रोज daily, on a daily basis, we form these granthis. So on a daily basis we need to clear these granthis as well. So this is how we know that, okay, through Rahu, Ketu, and through Shani. So these three are the karmic carriers. So through these we know that, okay, ये जहां जहां बैठे हैं हमें उनके साथ में अपना कार्मिक डेट क्लियर करना है। So first we clear those, or at least that it takes time. So at least you start clearing that. So dhire dhire you'll see the anxiety that is built over a period of time, that will start reducing, and you will feel less burdened. And how do you know that? Because that person will not be there in your thought process, or you will not encounter them uh, in a lot of ways. So उनके साथ रास्ता नहीं टकराता है, that is how you know. And obviously when you calm down and you know that, okay, किसी का भी थॉट मेरे दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा, so that's when you know that, okay, karmic debt नहीं है। So that is when you take up the next journey, that karmic debt clear कर रहे हैं एक साथ साथ में। So then you take up the other planets like Jupiter and Mercury, and of course when you are in your Grahas Jeevan, you also have to take care of the Venus. Now for ladies, Jupiter, and for men, Venus, अपने spouse के लिए. So this is how we understand that, how we have to actually take the karmic clearance. And so now if we're going back to this, so like I said, these are the bhavs, the homes. So first house again is yourself. So self को अपने heal करने के लिए इसमें जो planet रहेगा, we have to work on that. And then the second is your wealth. Now, if we have to create wealth, from our wealth. This house is also wealth from your father. This house, this is also, long, uh, lifelong wealth का घर भी है. And if you are making profits, then it comes from the 11th house. Now, we go back to the wealth house. So now, किसी को wealth create करनी है. So इसका जो भी lord है, we will first have to work on that lord. But mostly, I have seen, I mean, in my own consultation, I don't do any other houses. I either take up the 9th house, the house of luck, guru, and fortune, or I take up the first house. बाकी सब अपने आप हो जाता है. So now we know that, okay, so the second house में बहुत ही मतलब negative planet है. So we know that, okay, we need to work on our wealth part. So we strengthen that planet. So we strengthen the lord of that house, so that in the next coming birth, at least we don't feel the crunch of the wealth. And immediately, if we have to create wealth immediate, अभी तुरंत के लिए, then we have to see the 11th house. जो 11th house का lord है उसको. So this is so yeah, okay. Third is sibling, fourth is mother and children, sixth is disease. ये सब तो core है. And then we also see how a surgeon कैसे बनता है, या occult science, like in Vastu and astrology, we see how the 8th house is. If the 8th house is strong, then we know that the person um, I mean, has learned a lot of tantric ways in the past life, or occult science, or astrology, or anything that is to do with Atharva Ved, that comes under the 8th house. So ab ye also, these are also related with the, so first 4, 7 and 10 are the most important house, and इनको केंद्र कहते हैं. तो केंद्र यानी कि the foremost to live a very मतलब easy life, or not too much hassle or anything. We see that if the kendras are nice or good, we say that, okay, ज़्यादा problem नहीं है. So अगर केंद्र में ही शनि आ गया, then everything just gets delayed, and then a lot of karmic debt to be paid. Yeah, all that we have to assign. So now, if we have to see the pattern building, we will have to actually see somebody's a chart, so that it's easy for us to understand and do the pattern building. किसी का chart ले सकते हैं क्या? Anyone is open to come up with their charts? Have you done the chart homework and the house, so that I can take both? Anyone? If you are willing to share, then I can share it.
You could share mine if you like.
जानवी जी, thank you.
जी. Mhm.
आपने अपना चार्ट बनाया है एस्ट्रोलॉजी से?
Yes.
Okay, so Jayashree ji is there. She can share with her, and then I'll make
Yeah,
her
I'm
the-
there. I'm there, ma'am.
Yeah, so Jayashree ji, I'll make you the co-host.
Okay.
You are the co-host.
Janvi ji, will you send me her Kundli?
Sure. Do you want me to drop it in the chat?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, personal. Yeah.
Should I stop my screen sharing?
Yeah, I mean, I haven't yet received.
Okay, so yeah, so this is fourth house is and 10th house is your father, mother also. So where I don't want to go into astrology now. We'll have to actually see 2-3 cases, then only it will become much more easier to understand. Astrology तो सबको आती है ना?
Gurpreet has sent me. Should I share hers?
Yeah.
Okay.
G Saina, do you have a